Welcome. If you want to block ads in your MOTOROLA One Action, for the first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool, type Opera Mini, let's click install, and in a few moments I'm going to show you how easy you can block the ads on the websites with this browser. When it's finished we can open. Right now we have to accept all of the permissions from the notifications that pops on our screen. Okay, click OK and tap on this icon in the right corner, and we have to check if the ad blocking is turned on. As you can see, it is. So right now we can enter the website. For example, we can go for this one. As you can see here, we got the notification that the first ads were blocked, and right now we can accept all this stuff here. And when we scroll down the page, we cannot find here any ads, and when we go for the icon, we can check how many ads were blocked. So as you can see, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.